have a product that can help us defend from the sun outside of sunscreen, outside of sun shirts and hats. We have something that's defending from within at a cellular level to help us safeguard our body and our cells and repair ourselves.
And I've had skin cancer twice. And after that experience, I decided to seek out a combination of ingredients that would maximize the health of patients with sun-exposed skin and the future problems these patients may have.
And he understands the need for this product because he's lived in South Florida now for some time, and he's seen the skin cancer problems that are here. And I think very intelligently he decided to put all these things in a single pill.
In Chinese medicine, we're always trying to find the root cause of a problem. And by prescribing the right herbs and natural remedies, we are helping the body to heal from within. And this is exactly what Solicure is based on.
This is why I decided to create Solicure, to help just not myself, but everybody around me who could have future problems with the sun and with their skin.
Solicure has a proprietary formula that really defends at the cellular level.
It gives you excellent anti-cancer effects. There's no downside to taking it, and especially if you live in South Florida and are constantly bombarded by ultraviolet light.
And knowing that I'm taking Solicure, it really just kind of defends me from what sunscreen can't do for me.
Patients who've had sun exposure and have had problems with sun exposure to their skin.
Keep your skin healthy, keep your skin young. Protect it from the sun. Solicure.